Okay, so I just got back from Craigslist buy. I bought a 150 hammerhead platinum go-kart for 400 bucks. So I thought it was a pretty good deal, but the guy did flip it. He said his kids were driving and he flipped it. He said then I just put it in my garage and never pulled it back out. It does have a bunch of cracked plastics and it only runs on choke, so there's a couple issues with it. I'm gonna go ahead and fix those and take it for a rip. Okay, I did forget to say this, but when they rolled it, they scraped up in 2 parts, which isn't a huge deal, but they also bent this right here, so it's bent right there, unlike that one. I don't know if it's that easy to see, but this one's straight and flush, and it comes straight out, no bent if I go head on. This one's just not, you can see that bolt right there. If I go head on, it's just bent. But it's not the bar, it is that bolt right there. So all I have to do is take that out and then go ahead and get a new bolt. And both the lights are broken. That one's just gone. I just have it somewhere. That one I just have right there. But that one actually still works. It's just like destroyed. Let's see. I think that was it. Yeah, that one still works, except that they're both just destroyed. Okay, so I took this bar off. It actually did bend the frame, but it's not that bad. And the bolt broke off inside of this bar, so I'll have to figure something out. Plastics are still drying. I actually put these front fenders, or they're just sitting on there. They're not actually on there. I mean, you go ahead and put them on just in a second. So this thing, the bolt is still in there, and I think my best option is just to drill it out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drill that out and then move on from there to bend that bar back. Now that I got this bar back on, I'm gonna go ahead and sand this, like these rough spots off where they hit some concrete or the ground or something. I don't really know. I got a few on that side. I don't know where they are. And then that one right there. Okay, so it's definitely looking better. I did that one, this long one on this side, and this one on the front. So I don't know if I'm gonna paint over them or if it's fine how it is. I don't know how close the red I have is to the red on this frame. Okay, so I put the fenders back on and they're looking really good. The glue's holding out pretty good so far. And I put this main piece back on and I sprayed a plank of wood with red paint and then I like splattered it kind of, or like, yeah, I just splattered it with the red paint. And it actually looks really nice, but the goal of it was to take away from all these like crappy scratches and blemishes, and I think it worked pretty well. So I'm actually going to go ahead and do it to these back fenders too, just to kind of match the look, because I actually really like how that looks. So I'm going to go ahead and do it to that one next. Okay, so the carb is back in and it has brand new gas and a pretty nice paint job on the front and the back. I actually like the back a lot. It is now time to see if it'll start. That speedometer is pretty awesome looking. I like that. Hey, look at that. Now I just need lights for that light switch. You can also charge your phone if you need it. Okay, so the go-kart is done. The lights are working, it runs pretty well, and it is looking really clean. The spray painted parts, like red parts, turned out like really nice. That blew me away on expectations. I didn't think it was gonna look that nice, but it does. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with it next, but that's it.